Guys, I almost died. Damn, girl, your lashes are thick. Can you even see, like, the box? I feel like it's just, like, shining you in the face and blinding you. I'm sorry. Hi, I got a ring light for my cell phone, and I thought, why not throw it on my camera and see if it works? And guess what? It kinda does. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jazz, and I'm really annoying. If you are a returning subscriber slash viewer, welcome back. I've tried filming this video like 10 times now, and I'm tired. It's hot as fuck outside. It's hotter than Satan's butthole. We're just gonna hop right into this, and I'm just gonna show you the mascara. This is Too Faced, Damn Girl. Let's just do this. I have used this mascara already, and it's not my favorite, but I'm just gonna let you be the judge of this because I'm really picky with my mascara. I've actually returned mascaras before because I didn't like them. Because I don't wear makeup, mascara is really all that I wear, so it has to be a really great one for me to keep it. I can tell you right off the bat, I would not give this a 10 out of 10. I probably won't be purchasing this again. Without further ado, let's get started on actually applying makeup because that's what you all came to see. I am not a professional. I don't really know how to apply makeup properly. I know there's like some places where I missed like the inner part of my eye, a lot of the bottom. This is really difficult, you guys. Like, it's really hard to put on mascara in front of a camera for some reason. I don't know why. So this is with 2 coats, and this is with none. So, obviously, I'm not the best person to put on makeup. Well over 10 years of mascara application that I have no idea what I'm doing. So, the final verdict. Would I recommend this mascara to other people? Yes, I would. I have actually. Would I purchase it again? Probably not. It gets really smudgy. Would you like a whining? Time is it? So this was kind of terrifying. I kept hearing noises and sounds, so I checked the time to see if maybe it was my dad, who usually comes home around that time, but it wasn't him, and yeah. I have worn this a couple of times actually to work. It lasts for the most part, although it does get kind of like, it carries on to the skin and it stays there and I can't smudge it, so it definitely smudges. This is the final look. It's not too bad. I just have to kind of like clean myself up a little bit, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm sorry, I'm just like, I feel really weird. It's hot, I'm uncomfortable, I feel gross, I'm hungry, I'm over dramatic, all of that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go, but before I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The subscription button is down below. Also, thumbs up this video. Questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Also, turn on post notifications. Click the little bell. Get annoyed whenever I upload and stuff. That's not annoyed. That's not the word I was looking for. Get a notification every time I upload. And I will talk to you later. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.